$2.20 for emissions?
That doesn't seem right.
I just got scammed. Okay, so we just left Boulder Supercharger. We were doing some other filming there. And now I need to actually pay and renew my tag on my Tesla Model S, my 100D. I was gonna do it online, but I'm actually going on a road trip next week and really don't want to have expired ones because in Colorado you do have a grace period of a month. So I'm going to go renew them at a machine that's actually open on the weekends, but this is the first time I've seen it. I thought I was gonna have to actually go into the DMV, which obviously nobody likes the DMV.
Wait, they're all sloths?
Because it's just annoying and it takes forever.
We are in a really big hurry.
So I figured, oh yeah, there it is. It's actually at that rec center here in Broomfield. It's cool because you can actually use different ones throughout the state as long as the 2 counties are okay with you doing that, and this one is actually okay with my county. So I can actually come up here to this one, which is open on a Sunday, and do this. So I figured we'd kind of take you guys along and show you the machine, which is kind of cool. It's like a little kiosk, but you can do all kinds of cool stuff on there, including pay your tags, which are not cheap. So I think my first year was about $2,200. I can't quite remember. And now this year is year 2 on my 100D, and they are just under $1,700. So very, very expensive. It's a very expensive video now. But yeah, so we're gonna try this kiosk and see how it works.
5 minutes later.
Kiosk does not accept cash. We're good.
Walk away with your tab.
Do I need volume? No. Renew. Got it. Enter information.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
Oh, my model's empty. Whatever.
Yeah, that means it's right. Oh.
So I guess I'll fill this out. 50 cents for a check.
Oh, wow. Oh, so they're just going to take it out automatically. Probably doesn't matter because they're just going to take it out electronically, then it's just like, okay, insert check.
Insert check.
You facing it the right way? Yeah. There we go. Oh, did it scan it? There you go. Sorry, could not be read. Did you only bring 1 check?
Yes.
Oh, so we drove up here for nothing?
20 minutes later.
Oh shit, I'll just pay the other thing. I don't have time.
Oh, credit card?
I don't have time.
Okay. It didn't work.
No.
So Eric was trying to use the check reader here, kept rejecting his check. He had a check, but it wasn't working, so he's going to go ahead and pay with a card instead. So they do have
I don't really have time.
They do have additional fees, but he wants to get his tabs today so that he can put them back on his. Hopefully that works. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Well, that's lame.
I had to pay like 30 extra bucks. That sucks.
Yep. Well, why don't you complain?
Jesus.
That's a big radio station. Okay, now what?
It's supposed to throw out my tabs too?
Yep. There you go. So that's it? You done?
Oh, it actually says your plate.
Oh, cool. So
Name
that way
on
if somebody steals it.
Yeah. But what was supposed to be $1,673.15, because the check reader wasn't working and I needed to get this done like today, it charged me $1,712. So I ended up paying like $40 in fees. That's But anyway, now that that's done, that's kind of nice. You can see that right there. So right here is the $1,673.15. There's our breakdown of fees, FYI. And actually, it's cool. So now they actually put your license right there. So I guess like if someone steals it,
Yeah.
Or you can't steal it, or you can't use it somewhere else.
I had that happen before where somebody stole my tab. I went in.
Seriously?
Went into the store, came back out of the store, and actually, no, you know what? They stole my entire plate, so never mind. No, wait, no, they did just steal the tab. They did steal the tab, because then I went back and, yeah, they had stolen my tab off of there for the year. And I was like, this is an older car, not the Tesla.
So as of right now, for the second year, the taxable value on my car is $100,512. The purchase price was $117,250. Yikes, Colorado, yikes.
They have a formula so you can figure it out beforehand, but they take like 85% and then they take like 1.5% or 2%, and then it comes down each year for 5 years. After 5 years, it gets a lot cheaper, but it's the first 5 years are expensive.
But like, here's some of the breakdown in fees. There's a $15.50 base fee. There's an $18 bridge safety fee. $4 for clerk hire. But there wasn't a clerk. I was at a machine. $1.50 for county road and bridge. $2.20 for emissions?
That doesn't seem right.
I just got scammed. $10 for E470 fee, which you then have to pay tolls on top of. $2 for emergency medical services. $12 for highway. 10 cents for motorist insurance database. 17 cents for yearly tab material. 17 cents for the sticker. $1 for peace officers standardized training. $25 because I have a personalized plate. I'll take it. $50 because I have a plug electric vehicle. $23 for road safety surcharge. So technically the specific owned tax is only $1,507. The other $173 was extra crap.
But one thing to remember here in Colorado, we do get the $5,000 tax credit on
that is true.
Electric vehicles. So it kind of...
That helps out for like the first couple years, but it is still crazy expensive.
Yep.
But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. You can kind of see the machine. It's still a little not working right because it wouldn't read the numbers on my check. And this is a standard check issued from my bank. So maybe I'll email them about that, see if I can get my $40 back. I'll update to the description if I have. But yeah, if you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a newer inventory, Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. If you actually use it, you get free unlimited supercharging for the life you have your car, which is awesome, especially for road trips like I am planning to do out to LA for my Not a Flamethrower. As always though, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Oh my Lord, the light is going down and the weekend's here. Save my soul.